Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and like my video if you like it and want to subscribe. Today on Rob Does It All, we are doing travel tip number 2. And travel tip number 2 is batteries, or portable battery, I guess I would rather say. And the portable battery that I use, and remember, as of right now, I'm never sponsored by anybody I'm talking about. I'm just telling you what works for me. What works for you may be different, but I've traveled around and I've done stuff, and this is what has worked for me around there. So that's what I'm telling you about. Because it's Rob Does It All. Now you do it all. I do it all. No, but so what we got is Mophie. It's the Mophie Powerstation XXL, right? And when I bought it, as you can see you see that? Wait, right there? When I bought it, it was $100. Now I look on the website and it is $59.95. Like, I thought it was a steal at $100. So at $60, I might have to buy me another one. I don't need another one, but it's always good to have a backup on stuff you're doing. So let me tell you, for example, here's a story about how my Mophie XXL saved my life. I was in Berlin, Germany, obviously, and I never been to Germany before. This was my first time. Yeah, this was my first time to Germany, and I was coming from Prague, so I was in the Czech Republic, right? And so I get to Berlin, and I'm at this hostel, and I wake up in the morning, and I'm like, yo, I want to see the Berlin Wall. Like, that's the number one thing I want to see in Berlin. So go out, I'm walking around. I kind of like to do this thing when I'm traveling, like, I like to just explore a city and see it on my own first before I go straight to Google and be like, Google, tell me what's going on, right? And most of the time it works out. But this particular time, I was asking just somebody I've seen, just around. I was like, hey, I'm looking for the Berlin Wall. Where is it? So they were like, oh, if you just go that way, you'll run right into it. You can't miss it, right? So I'm like, okay, that's foolproof. I can't miss it. So I'm walking. And I'm like, man, I have not seen the Berlin Wall. It's supposed to be a big wall. You're supposed to just like run into it, right? Oh man. Do you know they were messing with me? It was that way. And they told me it was this way. And because I'm trying to be all cool traveler, I didn't check my phone for like a really long time. Like 2 hours. So I'm walking 2 hours this way. Oh man. So I I'm like, man, let me pull up my phone, see where this wall's at. The wall's the opposite way, so now I gotta walk 2 hours back to where I was, and then like another hour to the wall. I could have got a taxi. I could have got an Uber. But yo, Rob does it all, man. So I'm just walking, plus I didn't really have the funds for that. Who's got the euros? Not me. So this thing saved my life because it has 100 extra hours of smartphone battery life. And it has 28 extra hours of small tablet life and 20 hours of large tablet life. And you can see all of that right there. So it's pretty cool. I like it. It fits. If you have like a fanny pack, it'll fit like right inside there. And you can charge 3 things at a time. That's cool. You got a fast charge priority, got another fast charge, and you just got like a regular charge there. I mean, I think it's still at $60. I'll put the link in the description so you can click on it and just go check it out. But this has saved me. It saved me all over, especially in Berlin. Hey, yo, stop doing that to travelers. Travelers got it hard enough. I'm already in a foreign country. I've never been there before. I'm so excited. I don't have a ton of money. And they sent me on a wild goose chase 2 hours over there, man. Being somebody's huckleberry. But look, don't tell nobody about that, man. You know what I'm saying? That was the one time I got caught slipping. But yeah, this is it. So I hope you enjoyed travel tip number 2. As always, go to robdoesitall.com. Check out my blog. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at robdoesitall. And enjoy yourself today. And I will see you again.